recruitment, activation, performing, keeping, promoting. But it all starts with who are you bringing your team. So the first context of a leader is what we call your level of likability. Klaro? So kaya ka hindi nakaka-recruit kasi hindi ka likable. Yan lang yun. Sa itsura pa lang, sorry but itsura matters. Klaro? Dati, no, yung panahon pa namin nila Tita Cynthia, ni Cynthia, so palakihan ng alahas yan. Right? Palakihan ng mga bag yan. Dati yon. Ngayon, these kids don't care. Iba ng playing field. So which means, it has to start with your body, physical. Because that's where likability starts. Award na award. Your level of likability, 55% is physical. Diba? Sige, let's be real. No? Johnny, kunwari binata ka pa noon. Diba? May nakita kang babae sa bar. Ay, hindi. Sa simbahan. Diba? Grabe, ang ganda. Hayop sa buka. Bukang Virgin Mary. Ang katawan, parang si Satanas. Diba? Like, yummy. Diba? Attractive. Oh, you bet. Wag mo sabihin, no? Ang katotoong kagandahan ay nakikita sa kalooban. Mga pangit na nagsasabi niyan. Whether you like it or not, people will judge you based on what they see. Right? So it starts with appearance. Sulat niyo dyan. Which is, do you like what you see in the mirror? If you don't like what you see in the mirror, baguhin mo. Sorry but I don't really care how you look, but what I care for is, are you happy with what you see in the mirror? And wag niyong sabihin nang aapi si Ras, nanginginsulto. Because I know how it is. All my life. You know, yung 20th year, 25th year nung high school namin reunion, sinadya akong magpa-men's health fitness. Nung dumating ako, ang tingin pa rin sa akin, andyan na si Taba. Did that make sense? I know how it is. So, these kids will always be attracted with people because it starts with likability. So, appearance, sulat nyo, get up, suot ninyo. Huwag kayo magsuot purita. Sasabi-sabi, kikita kayo dito, tapos ang income ninyo, ang baba-baba. Kailangan fake it until I mean, hindi ako mahilig ng, ang pinakamahal ko lang, Uniqlo. Yan lang. Mahal na para sa akin yan. I don't need to wear certain brand to borrow their credibility because this is my credibility. Klaro ba? Yes. Diba, kahit naman naka-Gucci ako dito, pero hindi maganda tignan, nawala yung credibility ng Gucci. Are you with me? Yes. So, appearance, okay. How you dress up. Posture. Iba. You notice the difference, person A. Person B. Klaro ba yon? Yes. Facial expression. Lagi ka bang nakasmile? Yes. Kahapon si Son, first time kong na-meet, sabi ko, ang gwapo, pero si Mangot, suplado. Nagtataray. Ngayon nakasmile na. Di ba? Iba yun. Facial expression. But more than that, the energy you exude. I don't know if you noticed, the moment you arrived here, what was the energy that you got from me? Hi. Welcoming. Friendly. That is all shown in the physicality. Dito pa lang pasok ka na sa banga. Sino yan? Right? Ngayon, ang daming parating. Kasi sa picture pa lang nakita, sino yan? Talaga, 53 na yan. Doon pa lang eh. Are you with me? So that's first, appearance. Is that enough? No. Number 2, where you show up. Kasi kung lagi ka lang sa bahay, patay tayo dyan. Gone are the days wherein we just work at home. No. You have to show up wherever there's invitation to network. Klaro ba? Yes. Physically show up. Na-notice mo, Johnny, nung kahit hindi ako facilitator, buong 4 na araw nandun ako. How did I show up? Was I just there, snap, para magpa-picture yung mga tao? Or I was just going room to room, person to person, hugging people, meeting people? What did you notice? That's how I show up. Be felt. So when you show up, letter A, connect. Be the first one to reach out. Letter B, add value. Which is find out what they need, find out what they want. Doesn't matter if they don't need what you want. It doesn't matter they don't need what you have. What matters the most is nandun ka nakatulong. Kasi when they think about you, they think about Johnny who's very helpful. But when they think about real estate, they'll think about Johnny. Kasi if you notice you don't even know anong ginagawa ni Ras. Basta alam ko lang matulungin yan. And this is a key principle, guys. Please write this from Zig Ziglar. You can have everything in life that you want if you just help enough people get what they want. That is the ultimate key philosophy of every salespeople I know who are very successful. That's why kahit anong gawin ko, kahit saan akong kumpanya, lagi ako nagtatop 1. But this is the best part. Repeat after me. I don't sell.
I don't sell.
Yung may konting pare, I don't sell.
I don't sell.
People just buy.
People just buy.
Maganda ba yon?
Yes.
Yeah. Because I show up, sarap-sarap ka dyan. Klaro ba? I show up, lahat ng imbitasyon pupuntahan ko as long as I know it's not illegal, it's not immoral, it's not life-threatening, I show up. But I just don't show up and sit down and do nothing. I show up and connect. And then after I connect, number 3, very important, I act right away. Diba? O Miko, sabi ko, okay, sige, hindi ako nakapunta. Miko, etong pwede kong gawin. Kailan to? Schedule na natin. Etong available date ko. Hindi, sige, tulungan kita. Saka na, schedule natin. Parang, umabot na ng 3 years, wala pa nangyayari. Is that making sense?
Yes.
Show up physically. Be present. Do you have physical office?
Yes.
Yeah. Never in my life, I sat down on my beautiful table in my office. Every time I'm in the office, table to table, lahat ng secretary, beshi ko. Lahat ng SM, beshi ko. Lahat ng SD, beshi ko. Lahat yan, beshi ko. From the security guard to the maintenance to the building owner, beshi ko yan. Kaya never ako nahirapan maghanap ng driver. House help. Yaya. Lahat yan, maraming nakapila kung may gusto. Why? I show up, add value, give help. It's principle-based, guys. Yung true wealth para sa akin, pag nawalan ako lahat, tatawagan ko si Billy. Billy, na-foreclose yung bahay ko, pwede bang makitira ng 1 buwan? Will you say yes? Will you say no?
Yes.
Happily? Or, teka lang, sandali, kausapin ko muna si Helen, baka hindi papayag. Klaro ba? That's what true wealth is for me. And I'm able to acquire that simply because of how I show up. Recruitment, I don't have any problem. If I need something, my God, matik, umaapaw, siksik, liglig. If I need graphic artists here, if I need this, lahat, volunteerism pa. Is this making sense? So, number 1, appearance. Number 2, show up. Number 3, online presence. Which means, if you're out of sight, you're out of mind. So ngayon ko lang talaga na-appreciate itong content na ito. At dahil na-inlove ako, finul time ko na. Bakit? Sa dami ng inquiry. Diba? Hindi mo na alam saan ako isaksak. Now I can make a choice. Because I'm no longer fishing in the fish pond or in the aquarium. Where am I fishing? Ocean. Which is never ending. Is this making sense? But the key here, are you consistent enough? Kasi ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. The currency of future is not money. It's trust. Who will they trust? People who is seen online. Sige nga, sino doon nakapag-book ng Airbnb? Kaya anong pinapanood mo? Mga pictures, mga nakasulat, kung gaano kaganda, or yung review? May nagre-review ba sa'yo? Sa akin po, lahat 5-star, 1,300. That's why I don't even have to introduce myself. Klaro tayo? More than that, you now have a opportunity to select because there's too many options. At hindi ka nag-invite lang kasi walang-wala ka na. Yung anak ng kapitbahay mo, ng kabit ng ganito, yun ang ginawa mo, para lang meron. Kawawa ka naman. Are we clear? So that's why, physically, you cannot not exercise. You have to. You cannot not be wealthy. You cannot not be well. You have to. This is where attractor factor is. You need to be attractive. Claro? So, here's what's gonna happen. Okay? I want you to write. Number one, I want you to write. Ano yung magiging daily goal mo? Okay? In terms of your physical fitness, physical appearance, physical whatever, na kailangan mong gawin no if no but. Okay? Dahil alam mong importante yan. Huwag nating sabihin, mga judgmental lang yan. Kahit ikaw nga, judgmental eh. Clear? Number two, anong kailangan mong gawin? At least weekly basis, where do you need to show up? Physically. But number three, what will now be your goal in terms of your online social media presence? Being a content creator. Are you with me? What's your commitment? Para sa akin, daily to dapat. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Nakita ko ng difference ng mga talagang online content creator ng team namin. Never-ending ang recruit, never-ending ang prospect, never-ending ang sales. Yung wala, talagang umaasa pa rin sa kung saan-saan. Okay? Nachichipan na ako nung hahanap ng sino pwedeng kausapin. Mas maganda ba yung nakapila? Which means, which person would you like to be? Let's imagine you are hunting for bees. So meron kang net. Or you become a flower wherein you have nectar and all the bees will come to you. Which one do you want? Bee hunter or be the flower? Be the flower. That's it. Be attractive as a leader. Are we good? 6 na bahay. O deliver. Magkano each? Almost 400,000 each. Pwede? Nung nag-insurance ako, baka naman. Katatapos ko lang kumuha. Pero sige, magkano bang gusto mo? Ito. Is this making sense? Why? Because they feel that I care for them more than me wanting to get money. Pakisulat, purpose over agenda. Repeat after me. When the mission is clear, the commission will appear. Tama ba? Sa totoo lang, yung Karamihan naman ng buyer natin, hindi naman bumili dahil sa project natin, bumili dahil sa'yo. Totoo, totoo. Yeah, pero kahit gaano kaganda ang project mo, pero hindi kanya gusto, hindi kukuha yan. Hahanap pa ng paraan, masira ka. Bibili sa iba. At ipamuka pa sa'yo. Totoo, totoo.
Kahit ikaw lang percent, no?
Exactly.
Ma.
Klaro ba yon? Again, these are basic, but this is what we want to do on a day-to-day basis. Heart. Do they feel me that I care for them? That's why when we recruit, we never recruit, we just ask them, ano bang pangarap mo? Ano bang gusto mong gawin? Ano bang support na kailangan mo? But the moment you start giving the support, they will stay with you. Like Chi, you were with us for 2 weeks lang, di ba? Did I ever tell you, sali ka dito, may sweldo ka, etc., etc. Anong lagi mong naririnig sa amin?
Coaching and the mental po. Kung hindi po ako nire-recruit talaga, volunteer lang po.
And because of that, do you see yourself working with us for the longest time?
Yes po.
Did you see that? Did you hear that? It's simply because when you give people what they want, wholeheartedly, they give you what you want without asking for it. Are you with me? Which means, in your heart, number one, clear emotional baggage. So the tricky part about emotional baggage is we have baggage of the past, baggage of the present, baggage of the future. Okay? Baggage of the past, what happened to you as a little child, as an adult, that I can safely say 99% of what's going on in your life right now, it's simply because of that. Now, para sa akin, no amount of YouTube, ChatGPT can help you with that. But maybe you want to undergo a process called SLE, Structured Learning Experience, wherein we bring you back to a little child, look at it from an adult point of view, release it, bless it, thank it, because now you can move on in your life. Okay? And the good news here is we do that in our seminar. That's baggage of the past. Baggage of the present are your current state. So which means, kung dito sa kumpanya, meron kayong hanash, tapusin na. Klaro? What can you do? Letter A, release it. Kung yung mga tao ka talagang din talaga pwede, wag mo nang pilitin. Klaro ba? Kausapin mo na, no? Menchi, years na tayo magkasama, nagkakabanggaan tayo. Alam naman natin, we love each other, but you know what? It's no longer working. I'm resigning as your manager. God bless you. Let's remain friends. Pwede? How does that feel like? May ganun kunwari. Relief. Now, there's a new space for new people to enter in your life. Now, kung hindi kayang i-release, no? Kasi meron pang commission. Kasapin mo, hindi tayo nagkakasundo. Okay? I know you have commission. I want you to get that. Pwede ba kitang i-delegate directly kay Billy? Zero energy, pero hindi masama ang loob mo, hindi mabigat ang loob mo. Right? But number 3, maybe in this relationship, meron kang mga hindi mo nagawa, na alam mo dapat mong gawin, hindi mo na-fulfill as a leader, i-fulfill mo muna. Which is find a way to be a bigger, better leader and allow yourself to serve this person. Be the leader. Either or, there's a price, there's a benefit, but it's a choice you're gonna make. Klaro? Most important clearing that I want you to clear is, number 1, your romantic relationship. You cannot continue staying in one bed, masama ang loob mo. Kung di talaga pwede, di hiwala yan. Pangalawa, isolo isa nanay kung tatanggapin pa. Diba? Pangatlo, maybe this person is teaching you something. No, I would always say, no, your romantic relationship is your real soulmate because they know how to push the right button. Then maybe you haven't learned that lesson yet. Kasi madaling magtapon ng tao eh. Pero I'll guarantee the next person will come in will be the same. Iba lang itsura, iba lang pangalan, iba lang maybe nationality, it's still the same. Ask me why.
Why?
Because there's a lesson you need to learn in this relationship and you're refusing to. Because most of the time, you want them to change for your convenience. Are you with me?
Yes.
So, again, emotional baggage, people baggage, past baggages, present baggages, and the future baggage, which is worry. Future baggage will only be addressed when you are working on you. Claro?
Yes, sir.
Part of the things I want you to clear in your heart is your physical space. Anong ibig sabihin? Kung ako ba'y pupunta sa bahay ninyo, welcome ka agad or wag muna kasi tatawagan ko si Mrs. Maglinis ka, parating si Coach Shashan, nakakahiya. Kung yun, you cannot continue living in a space wherein magulo. How do you feel about this place? Maaliwalas? Yes. Maayos?
Yes.
Do you think yung blessing gustong pumunta?
Yes.
Yun lang yun eh. Kung pera ang hanap mo, gusto bang tumira ang pera sa'yo? Bakit? Tignan mo ng pitaka mo. Kung ang laman niyan ay puro mga resibo na wala ng tinta, tapos ang SM card mo, 50, tapos ang pera mo, pahalo-halo. I mean, if that is the case, huwag ka magtaka, mawalan ka ng pera. Kasi pag once lumabas ang pera, sasabihin niya, huwag tayong bumalik doon, ang dumi. Ang baho, puro basura. Hanap tayo ng taong mag-aalaga sa atin, taong magpadami sa atin, at taong pinapahalagahan tayo. If you are money, would you date you? So kung hirap ang pera sa'yo, baka hindi mo gusto sarili mo, hindi ka rin gusto ng pera. Hindi connected. So you need to start clearing your heart. Clearing the space. Ito pa, digital space. Tignan mo yung mga inbox mo, kung marami kang hindi nare-replyan, mga 5 taon na. Ubusin yan, guys. Kasi bit-bit mo yan eh. Bit-bit mo yan sa puso mo. Kaya minsan ayaw mo bukas kasi ang dami mong hindi nare-replyan. Gusto ko, umaabante ka na wala kang bit-bit na bagahe. Clear or clear?
Clear.
Again, deep emotional baggages trauma, we do that in the seminar. But right now, what you can do, people space, physical space, digital space, handle it so that you don't carry it already. So here's what's gonna happen. Discuss in your small group, immediate mong gagawin. Right? Lahat ng mga brief ko at saka mga panty kong walang kwenta na, itapon ko na yan. Ibenta ko na yan. Padala ko sa ex ko. Okay? Sa team mo, sino kailangan mo nang linisin? Klaro ba? Clear? Again, action plan to ha? Alam mo, I grew up in the 70s wherein ako lang yung bata sa school na hiwala yung magulang. Weird, di ba? And my father was in the church. Okay? Puro praise the Lord, pero may ibang babae, may ibang pamilya. Left us. Can you imagine how difficult that was for us? But when I learned about this, I brought in the healing and forgiveness and compassion in my family. You don't even notice if there's family 1, family 2, family 3, we're all one and the same. Is this making sense? Yes. Ako nakita ko yung taong magandang buhay, mas mabilis, punong-puno ng kapatawaran. Puro pasasalamat. So get into that space. Put that in your daily thing, that the 20-minute recording that I have. If you don't like that, there's something else. Kasi pag hindi mo inaharap, magiging cancer yan. Klaro ba? And cancer is not about the food or the exercise program that you do, but it's the resentment that you kept. That becomes resistance, which you don't like anymore. That becomes revenge, and then you regret for the longest time. Release it, let it go. Buong-buo. Are you with me?
Yes.
So, is that enough? No. O, kunwari, Patrick, may nakita ka sa bar. Sa bar, sa simbahan. Saan ka ba nagpupunta? O, diba? Likeability, no? Mukhang anghel. Katawan parang Lucifer, di ba? Tapos nung kausap mo, walang kakonek-konekta. Will you still pursue? No. Is this clear? There must be connection. But is that enough? No. Because this is only 55%. This is 38%. What will complete this 7% is your mind. The mind will actually create the level of reliability. Ito yung, when you invite people in your business, at sasabihin mo, pwede kang kumita ng milyon-milyon dito, pero sa itsura mo, hindi naman talaga nangyayari, hindi ka reliable. Huhusgahan ka. Pero hindi ka mahuhusgahan kahit hindi ka pa kumikita kung number one, magaling ka in terms of knowledge. Sulat mo, Mads. Marami kang alam. Like si Jed, wala pa namang napuprove yan ng milyon-milyon, pero naniwala ba kayo sa kanya? Yeah. Pagtayo pa lang dito, ang dami niyang knowledge. Ang dami niyang alam. Sino dito, sana nung kabataan ko, ganyan ako knowledgeable. Exactly. Therefore, you cannot not create a daily routine of you not learning every day. I spend minimum 1 hour a day, every day. That's why I love going back and forth, Lukban and Manila. That's 2.5 to 3 hours every day, every week. So uwi ako bukas, balik naman ako may retreat naman ako ng Saturday, Sunday. Sunday, punta naman ako Bulacan, kila Moby. I love traveling long hours because so you have to schedule it. Sino dito in traffic going back and forth papuntang bahay? Nata-traffic kayo? Wala. Hallelujah. You have hours of learning time. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka napaka-spontaneous ko? Kahapon pa ko walang notes. Kung anong lumalabas ko, parang lahat sa pool. Hindi po galing sa akin lahat yan. At walang original yan. Tanong nyo sa akin nang galing yan. Nag-aaral ako. I study. You know, tomorrow I have another talk. Every day I have talk, different people. Last night I had a talk, that's why this man is here. Yung topic ko ba kagabi, pareho dito or iba na naman, bago na naman? O saan ang galing yun? Ini-schedule ko yung learning time ko. So how can you be a reliable leader? You don't even know what you're doing. Ang lagi mo lang sa, ang target mo ha, may commission ka ha. Kapagod yan ha. But don't just rely on knowledge. Number 2, have new skills. Kakayanan. Because the more skills you have, the more you create level of people staying with you. Clear? These two will just be attraction, but you cannot hold them for long. Sige nga, dito. Patrick, nagustuhan mo, sobrang ganda, type na type mo, level 10. Konektado kayo pag nag-uusap, grabe. Dito, sinungaling. Walang kaalam-alam. Nag-argue kayo kasi hindi match yung mind ninyo. Do you think magtatagal kayo? Hindi. Hindi. Yun pala yun. Kaya wala akong retention, bababa ang retention ko kasi konti lang yung pwede kong i-offer sa tao. Hanggang target lang. Yung skills ko, hanggang monitoring lang. Tapos pag may problema, sasabihin mo, positive thinking lang yan. Let's pray about it. Hallelujah. No. You must have skills to transform them, coach them, mentor them, so they will stay long with you. Next is experience. As a leader, are you exposed to as many people as you can so you know how to lead people? This is your experience. In fact, hindi ko alam kung ito bang invitasyon dito, napilitan lang ba kayo dito or excited kayo? Hindi ko alam kasi parang ang tagal ng listahan. Ano, Miko, yung totoo? No? Tapos hihingi pa sa akin ng mga curriculum. Sa mga itsura niyan, curriculum. Hindi naman binasa. Totoo. Yeah, kasi huwag niyong husgahan ng isang bagay, hindi niyo pa nga alam. You know, sa totoo lang, no, naiinis ako sa taong hindi pa nga naka-experience ng network marketing, hinusgahan na. Diba? Ay, re-recruitin ka lang dyan. Bakit? Qualified ka ba? Tignan mo muna. Hindi ko nga alam kung qualified ka eh. I'm opening up to you. Baka makatulong sa'yo. Pero hindi mo pa nga nakita, hinusgahan mo na. Are you with me?
Yes.
Be open to experience. Katulad ngayon, no, ilang minutes ka nandito, maganda ba ang nadatan mo or pangit? Okay. Kasi kahapon daw, kasi nasa Zoom ka, tama? Tapos nagpa-coaching sa Zoom. Tapos sabi ko, kung yan ang gusto mo, may mga e-com ako mamayang parating, biggest names of e-com nandito, baka gusto mo ma-meet. Sabi, hindi po ako pwede. Bakit? Ano bang meron? May barangay meeting daw. O di dyan ka na sa barangay mo. Ano mas importante, yung barangay meeting mo? Or yung pangarap mo? So, yung barangay meeting, pwede mo namang isang tabi mo na yung konti. Magpa-sorry ka. Kasi merong opportunity na gusto kong tignan. These are the things that you have to put into your daily routine so that when you are in front of your people, you have something to offer. Next is really digital transformation. Kagabi ko lang na-meet. Nandito na. Kung inopen ko yun, baka 50 pumunta dito. Pupuntahan ka, dadayuhin ka. Bakit? Digital transformation. You cannot not be in the digital transformation. But you do all of this to upgrade your skills so that you now start to embrace the new generation. These are the things you need to be reliable with. Our prayer panalangin, wag yung, Lord, ang benta ko po, maawa po kayo. Wag. Klaro?
Yeah.
Prayer should always be, I surrender to you, thank you. Agree, disagree?
Agree.
But number 2, meditation. Because when you meditate, you're hearing God, one and only voice, which is silence. And when you hear Him, you're present. And that's part of what we want to do, what we want to support you with. Are you with me?
Yes.
And that's part already of what you've been doing. Are we good? So again, this is your context physically. You show up because this is how people will judge you. Emotionally, you let them feel that you're there to support them. You're there to care for them. Mentally, magaling ka rin. But above all, spiritually, it's simply because you're living your word. You can be trusted based on your integrity. Claro? Do I like you? Do I feel you? Do I perform with you? But lastly, do I trust you? Because if this is type of leadership that you have, people will follow you for the rest of your life.